I'm your host, Emma Ponchermily, and today we're with Chef Nathan. And what will we be cooking today?
We're making some homemade farm fresh omelets. So,
Okay, what's the first thing we need?
you're gonna start off by getting a small skillet at high heat, some butter in the pan, melt the butter a little bit.
And what is the butter for?
Oh, you're gonna saute your vegetables in there, make them nice and soft and ready to eat.
Okay.
You want all liquid butter, so about there. We're using bell peppers and onions today. Add those. Saute them until they're translucent or soft. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes.
And did you freshly chop these yourself?
Yes, yeah, chopped them right before this today. The fresher the better.
Yeah.
You know, nice and small, bite-sized.
And how do you know when they're done?
You're gonna see the onions, the edge are gonna turn brown, become more translucent, and you'll definitely be able to smell the cooked. So, again, you want it at a high heat. Want your eggs. You want small chunks so you can spread around of egg. Just like that.
And then you just let it cook?
Just let it cook. And from here, if you're really daring, you can try to do a little flip. Add in your cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want. Today we're using cheddar.
And you chop the cheese up yourself too?
Yeah, you can use a cheese grater. Make a nice small little chunks of cheese. Wait for the cheese to melt down a little bit. And from here, you're ready to plate. There you go.
And this is your omelet. It's really hot. But it tastes really good. Thank you for watching BPSTIL Bites today. And come back next week.